Cory and Jess. We're so excited to have you list our home and wanted to share some of the things we've loved most about living here. The community of Enumclaw has been such an incredible home to us. We're only a few minutes from downtown, and on top of its charm, it has some of our favorite restaurants and shops. Our neighborhood is also just incredible. We have the best neighbors and love how close it is to our local schools and parks. Our home was truly designed for indoor-outdoor living and entertaining. We've loved all of our gatherings with friends and family. One of our very favorite spots of our home has become our backyard and patio that we can enjoy year-round. It's just so peaceful. We just know another family will love it here as much as we have.